Why you should choose TRISCO Super OBD2 Breakout Box. Professional 16-pin diagnostic tool for accurate ECU testing. The TRISCO Super OBD2 Breakout Box, BX100 model, is a professional-grade automotive diagnostic expansion tool designed for precise testing, monitoring, and ECU programming on both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicle systems. By plugging directly into the standard OBD2 interface, it allows real-time detection of communication protocols, power supply status, and grounding signals, supporting CAN bus, K-line, and exclusive OEM protocols. A standout feature is the constant voltage ECU programming function, activated via a dedicated CV button that outputs a stable 13.8 volts to prevent programming failures caused by voltage drops. The built-in digital display accurately shows voltage values for all 16 OBD2 pins with plus and minus 0.1 volt accuracy and provides automatic warnings for abnormal voltage conditions. Designed with a full 16-pin layout and 4mm banana sockets, it easily connects to multimeters and oscilloscopes. Multiple safety protections and intelligent alarms ensure secure and reliable diagnostics. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.